is Lexi. I am the owner of Forget Me Not Studio in Indiana, and today I am going to be doing a split dye tutorial for you guys using Arctic Fox hair color. So I will split it completely down the middle, one half one color, one half the other color. It was so hard to decide, but I finally went with Neon Moon, very, very bright, kind of like a highlighter-y yellow, and their Electric Paradise, which is a bright, vivid, kind of pink, salmon-y tone of pink. So for my color specifically, I'm trying to give my hair a little bit of a break. So I left the new growth in the back and I just took a 1.5 to 2 inch section all the way around the perimeter and lighten that. That way I get that really bold, bright pop of color in the front without completely bleaching my head. So if you look at it from the side, it will look split color, but not as dramatic as the whole head. So there's an option if you're growing your hair out and you want to give it a little bit of a break, just lighten the front half. You don't have to do everything. Just lighten a little bit there and you'll still get that really bold pop. And now you're going to take a comb, a brush, whatever you have, to part it completely down the center and tie one side up so it's not in the way. Okay, so once you get it perfectly sectioned down the middle and you've got one side placed off to the side where no little hairs can get in it. Since my hair is a little bit longer, I'm going to take it and wrap it just so none of these ends get colored at all. And I like to start first by making sure all of the color is on the roots first, and then you can kind of comb it down, but if you miss a section on the roots and the ends are already colored, makes it really hard to kind of get back up there at the scalp and get back in there. So start at the roots and apply the color first all over, and then you can drag it down to the end. Another thing I like to do when I'm making sure that the ends are super saturated is I use this little brush, the Tangle Tamer, and this is also from Sally's, but they work perfect for mixing the color in, and then they're plastic, so they're super easy to just rinse off afterwards. Okay, so that is the one side, the Neon Moon side is done, so I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'll do the other side. And now same thing on this side, start at the roots, get all of those colored, and then you can drag the color down to the ends. Okay, so now that the color is completely on, both sides are done, now we just let it sit and process. And the nice thing about Arctic Fox is it has no harsh chemicals, no peroxide, no ammonia, nothing like that. So it's basically just like a hair mask. So you have to let it sit at least 20 to 30 minutes, but I will probably leave mine on about an hour or two is what I usually do. I just kind of really let it sit in there, condition the hair, and your hair feels so silky at the end. You guys will notice, so stay tuned. So here is the final result. Everything is washed and styled. I've got the Neon Moon on this side, and this side is Electric Paradise. Okay, so I can already tell I absolutely love both of these colors. These are two of my favorite colors that I've ever done, but it gets way better. Look at these colors under a UV light.